Okay, so today I read about standards-based grading. Basically, standards-based grading is just grading that allows the parent and the student to grasp how well the learner is understanding the concepts and the standards that they are focusing on in class. So this is different from more traditional ways of assessment because whereas traditional assessments are focused on more on like a percentage system, or they're focused on like measuring every assignment. Standard based is on selected assignments. It's criterion based, and it's focused specifically on each learning goal and standard that is being measured. And so this is more clear communication to the student and the parent. Competence-based education is where learners advance through content or like earn credit based on how well or how proficient they are in each competency. So they can learn at their own pace, and they can go more quickly in one area and then take more time with the others. It's just dependent upon how well they master that standard or competency. These are related because both systems allow the students to learn specific standards based on a predetermined rubric, and it allows the student to take more ownership of their learning. And because it's not just like a do project 3 or here's the grade for worksheet 5, it's more of a communication, a clear communication for why they got the grade that they did, and how that affects the student's understanding of where they're at in the competency. So it uses assessments in formative ways, and this is the norm rather than the exception. So it's very focused on formative assessments. They are different in that students in a competence-based system advance to higher level work at their own pace, whereas grading, this isn't necessarily the standard. And then in a competency-based system, this learning expands beyond the classroom, where you can do that with the standards-based grading, but it's not really emphasized as much. And then in competency-based education, teachers assess the skills or concepts in multiple contexts and multiple ways, and this is like required for competency-based education, but it's not a requirement for standards-based grading. So basically, standards-based grading goes along with competency-based education, but they're not the same thing. That is what I read today.